Eaton EnergyAware UPS combines tried and true UPS technology with advanced energy storage functions. With EnergyAware, you can protect sensitive electronics from power disturbances, reduce facility operating costs, and earn revenue through energy market programs, all at the same time. In this video, we'll discuss traditional UPS applications, lithium battery advancements, EnergyAware UPS capabilities, and return on investment through new revenue streams. Let's get started. The Eaton 9395 300 to 1200 kilowatt UPS family is an industry-leading solution that delivers efficiency and scalable battery runtimes in a small footprint. Large data centers, healthcare applications, multi-tenant data centers, and light industry can lower their total cost of ownership with this family of uninterruptible power supplies. Budgeting for electricity, securing adequate supply, and finding ways to optimize use are common topics of conversation in these power-hungry applications. Power sags, surges, and outages are not only unavoidable, but also more than capable of damaging valuable equipment and bringing productivity to a halt. An uninterruptible power supply is a critical component in a well-designed power delivery architecture. So how does a UPS accomplish uninterruptible power? Let's look inside the box. Power is fed from a generation source, like the utility or a generator, into a rectifier. The rectifier converts the alternating current, or AC, provided by the source into direct current, or DC. It then does the opposite. The inverter converts DC into a perfect AC waveform that provides clean power to downstream loads. Whenever there's a problem at the source, like an outage, the inverter seamlessly switches to battery power and continues to provide a perfect AC waveform to power the loads. The Eaton 9395P UPS switches from source to battery in less than 2 milliseconds. To put that into perspective, the blink of an eye takes 300 milliseconds. So with such a fast transition, even the most sensitive electronics are protected from power disturbances. Batteries are a key component of the UPS because they allow the UPS to provide clean, reliable power when there's a problem at the source. They help stabilize the transition period during a shift in power sources, supplying stored energy while a utility recovers from an interruption or while a generator starts up. Once the power source is stable, the UPS recharges the batteries so that it's ready for the next event. Lead-acid batteries have been used in UPS applications for decades. They're a proven, reliable, safe technology, but they have disadvantages too. They degrade relatively quickly over time and even faster when cycled. The average lifespan in a UPS application is 3 to 5 years. Most UPS owners experience 2 to 4 battery replacement cycles over the 15-year life of the UPS. Lead-acid batteries were the standard for UPS applications, but recently that's been changing. Investments in lithium-ion battery development have led to significant improvements in technology, safety, and cost. Over the past few years, adoption of lithium-ion batteries in UPS applications has been growing very quickly for an industry that had become so comfortable with lead-acid batteries. The majority of our large three-phase UPSs now use lithium-ion. Lithium-ion batteries have a smaller footprint and degrade more slowly than lead-acid batteries. Manufacturers typically offer a 10-year warranty and a 15-year design life. So, instead of 2 to 4 replacement cycles over the life of the UPS, you may only have 1 or maybe none at all. Another benefit is that lithium-ion batteries are less sensitive to charge and discharge cycles. Some are even capable of 1 full charge and discharge every day, or over 5,000 cycles in the 15-year design life. In a UPS application, where there may be 2 full cycles per year, or a total of 30 in the 15-year design life, lithium batteries are actually underutilized. So what can a facility do with all those extra cycles? A lot, actually. Eaton is expanding the role of the UPS, enabling facilities to do more with their stored energy. Eaton offers a control layer for the 9395P UPS called EnergyAware. EnergyAware gives a facility operator flexibility to put stored energy to work. It can be used to smooth out facility loads, which generates on-bill savings, or it can be enrolled in energy market programs, which generates extra revenue. When optimized, it stacks both of those functions to maximize financial return for the facility. So how does it work? The UPS reserves a portion of the stored energy for outages and makes the rest available to EnergyAware. For example, facilities typically have 10 to 15 minutes of battery backup time with the UPS, but usually need less than a minute to transition to the backup generator. In this scenario, the UPS could reserve 2 to 3 minutes for backup power and give EnergyAware access to the other 8 to 12 minutes. Let's dig into what that extra stored energy can do. Utilities set rate structures for commercial facilities. Those rate structures vary throughout the country, but typically include a charge based on the peak power drawn by the facility at any time during the month, called the demand charge. Time of use rates, where the cost of energy varies throughout the day, are also common. Utilities have challenges managing peak demand periods, for example, the hottest day of summer and the coldest day of winter. To ease strain on the grid, they offer programs to commercial customers who can curtail demand when grid capacity is constrained. These programs have lucrative payouts and only call on a facility to participate a few times per month. Sometimes, facilities are too small to meet minimum energy requirements for energy market participation, or don't have the expertise to enroll in the right programs and optimize returns. Eaton partners with an aggregator that allows facilities of all sizes to participate and stacks programs to maximize the returns on extra stored energy. If a large UPS, like the Eaton 9395P, is part of your facility's power delivery system, then most of what you need to monetize extra stored energy is already in place. Adding EnergyAware, optimizing extra stored energy use for on-bill savings, and enrolling in available energy market programs could add tens of thousands of dollars to the bottom line. Here at the PSEC, we're using this 9395P EnergyAware UPS to provide backup power throughout our entire experience center, as well as the rest of the commercial side of the building. This unit is rated for 600 kilowatts and has 240 kilowatt hours worth of lithium-ion batteries. By using EnergyAware, we can keep the building load at a consistent 60 kilowatts from the utility and then power the remainder of load with the UPS's lithium-ion batteries. For example, if the building is using 100 kilowatts of load, the utility will only see 60 kilowatts and the batteries would discharge 40 kilowatts. If you'd like to learn more or see an EnergyAware UPS in action, check out our website, eaton.com/EnergyAware, or contact your local Eaton representative